Greysands High School, we use technology to supplement and enhance our teaching of mathematics. The technology is used as a tool, so the first basic principle there is using an interactive whiteboard as opposed to a normal whiteboard, which allows students to directly respond to questions in real time. You can use dynamic displays where instead of having it static and drawing a number of diagrams on the old whiteboard, you can actually have a diagram that moves to demonstrate things as you go. Obviously there's the use of videos to explain the same things, in which students can actually take a reference of where the video can be found and rerun it at any time at their own pace, going over things that they needed to hear or see again. Through other applications such as GeoGebra, which allows students to see graphs done very, very quickly, so they can actually use it to compare graphs and look for patterns. That's another application that we use in our technology. Of course, a very good student favourites, the old Kahoot quiz package, and our staff members, Mr. Job, has put together a website for sharing resources amongst staff and has interactives that we can use as lesson starters that I know a number of the staff have taken advantage of in the use of technology. They're just some of the ways that we have used technology to enhance our teaching in a more dynamic, interactive manner. At the high school, we also integrate collaborative work using a range of techniques. In some of the special programs we run, we do some project-based learning, taking advantage of resources from NAPLAN, and really to engage students in the learning of mathematics in a positive way, where they can share ideas, they can reflect on how other people would approach a problem, using the small whiteboards where students are encouraged to work in pairs or small groups to talk through and display results on the whiteboards. This collaborative process allows students to reflect upon what each other are doing and different strategies used in solving a problem. In terms of hands-on materials, again, hands-on materials are used to supplement teaching ideas, to give a concrete understanding of concepts. Fundamental principles of maths really have not changed over the years. Although the ways we choose to demonstrate and engage students in the learning of these may have changed, the fundamental ideas are still the same. The ability to recognise patterns and apply that understanding of patterns to problems is what has taken off into other fields such as engineering and the sciences to help solve wider-based problems. So a solid foundation of mathematical skills will help students in general to succeed in other areas where innovation is used.
When I was in year 10 and had to choose my subjects for senior year, my mathematical ability was very limited and I wasn't very confident with how I was performing with maths. So when I chose my subjects, I looked at what subjects would require high levels of maths, and it pushed me away from them, and instead I looked at the subjects where maths would not be involved.
So the bottom line about maths is it's an important essential skill that's going to make your life easier in the long run. If you develop a sense and ability to apply what you have learned in different contexts. Preparing you for your future lives, it allows you to deal with situations that are outside what you're normally used to.